My name is Mohammad Faraz Asgar. I am giving overview of a company which its name is Chirag Packaging Limited. This is public limited company which is established in 1991. The nature of business: manufacturing, sales of paper, sacks, bags and flexible packaging materials. The business model: manufacturing, marketing and sales of packaging materials. The subsidiaries companies are Chirag Packaging Afghanistan Limited, Chirag Packaging UAE Limited. Also, nature of businesses: manufacturing and sales of paper, sacks, bags and flexible packaging materials. The total number of shares is 49 million and 100% of parent company shares. The project companies are Chirag Packaging Afghanistan Limited and Chirag Packaging UAE Limited. Pakistan, Afghanistan and UAE. These companies as the nature of business is manufacturing and sales of paper, sacks, bags and flexible packaging materials. The business model is manufacturing, marketing and sales of packaging materials. The ownership is 100% Chirag Groups. There is no foreign investor. The board of members are Mr. Muhammad Ayub, Chairman; Mr. Muhammad Aslam, Managing Director; Mr. Muhammad Tahir, Director; Mr. Muhammad Zubair, Director. External auditors: EY Ford Chartered Accountants. Internal audit: the company has an in-house internal audit department that reports to the audit committee. CEO reports declining revenue and gross profit. The flexible packaging divisions shows growth. Financial performance, strategic initiatives and independent audit. Risk management: CPPL manage risk from imported raw materials and currency fluctuations. Foreign exchange risk: forward contracts against backyard depreciation. Interest rate swap, managing borrowing cost. Operational: export diversification, reduce local currency dependency. Strategic price adjustments, offset raw material cost. Import and export model: CPPL relies on imported raw materials. They export to various regions. Importing: 75% raw material imported. Suppliers are primarily Europeans. Exporting: cement industry is primarily client. Exports include Congo, Dubai and Liberia.